Animals at home. Meow, meow. It's early morning and Daisy licks her paw. Cats like to hunt at night and often sleep in the hours during the day. Meow, meow. Woof, woof. Monty is very happy that his owners are taking him for a walk. Monty loves to run around outside and fetch sticks. When dogs are excited, they wag their tails. Woof, woof. Crunch, crunch. Rosie is eating a delicious carrot. Rabbits are herbivores, which means they eat plants, grass, and vegetables, but not meat. Carrots are Rosie's favorite treat. Crunch, crunch. Bubble, bubble. Bubble, bubble. Daisy loves watching goldfish swim around the fish tank. Although they are called goldfish, not all are gold. Goldfish can be white, yellow, orange, and even black. All of the animals are the happiest when their owners show that they love them and look after them.